Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make loaded quesadillas and guacamole. Let's start with loaded quesadillas. To make quesadillas, you would need 2 pounds of chicken cut into strips, 1½ cup of red and green bell peppers cut into slices, 1 cup onion cut into slices, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, about 2 cups of Mexican cheese, and since we're making 5 quesadillas, you will need 5 tortillas, and some oil. In a pan on medium to high heat, add oil, then add the chicken, cook the chicken until it is fully cooked. When the chicken is halfway cooked, then we will add the salt and black pepper. Now that the chicken is halfway done, add the salt and black pepper. Mix and continue to cook until the chicken is fully cooked. Now the chicken is cooked, remove and set aside. In same pot, add a little bit of oil, then add the bell peppers and cook for about 2 minutes. Next, add the onions and cook for about 2 minutes with the bell peppers. This will be done on medium to low heat. Next, add the chicken and stir together with the vegetables. On the tortilla, first add cheese and do so only on 1/2 of the tortilla. Add the vegetable and chicken mixture. Then add a little more cheese. Now fold in half. Now place it on the grill until crispy and the cheese has fully melted. If you want, you can also use a pan to do this. While the quesadilla is being cooked, let me show you how to make guacamole. To make guacamole, you would need 2 avocados, half a tomato cut into small cubes, half an onion chopped, some cilantro, half a jalapeno chopped, juice of half a lemon, some salt, and some black pepper. First, cut the avocado in half lengthwise. Twist the avocado. Now watch how we will remove the pit. Now scoop out the pulp and place into a bowl. When buying avocado for guacamole, buy soft avocado. In a mortar, smash the avocado. You can smash the avocado until they are all smooth, or you can leave a little bit chunky. Next, add the tomatoes, onion, lemon juice, cilantro, green chili, salt to taste, and black pepper to taste. Mix everything together. You can add the pit on top of the guacamole. This is so that it won't turn black. Cover and place in the fridge until you're ready to use. Cut the quesadillas in 4 pieces, which will be in triangle shape. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye now.